G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, the Car Wash Chronicles. Day number 1, we got started without you guys, so I apologize. We've already done some work to the brand new car wash. If you didn't see my video before this one, yes, I got another car wash and it's time to renovate. So that's what we're doing. What? You complaining?
What's up, guys?
Oh, you complaining?
So short.
So short,
You
yeah.
make look too short, everyone,
Be a
man.
real man.
Yeah.
Be tall. So what are you doing today?
We're putting up the lights today, so
You're putting up the lights. I'm doing the security cameras because they're two very important things. Keep away the people that aren't welcome here, that aren't washing their car. They're just hanging out doing things that you do. And
illegal.
that's what we're doing. So let's get to work. Well, we already got to work, but
I'll be back.
So you can see the original lights that were here. They're just plug-ins. Literally, they just plug into an outlet. And they're clearly not the best. So what did I do? We put the same ones in at Fontana because we know they're good. They're pretty cheap. They're like 22,000 lumens, which is super bright, unlike
My
you.
vision. Look at that. Plugging lights.
Plug-in lights.
Yeah.
So obviously they're gone. One bay already done on day 1.
Day 1.
Already got the keys 2 days ago and we're making moves.
I gotta slow down, man.
What for? No, you gotta speed up because you charge too much. And I'm putting up some cameras. You can see 1, 2, 3 cameras, which is covering the whole back area here. And let me show you what it looks like so far. Beautiful. Beautiful. But I will say this. Today's Saturday, long weekend, Labor Day is Monday. This place is popping. Again, I took it over. Nothing was really working 2 days ago. Yesterday I was here. We got the soap brush working. We got the high pressure soap working. So the functions that are there work, except for the tire cleaner. And I'm not gonna bother fixing that because it's too much work. I'm ordering the whole new system, the low pressure systems, just like the other car washes that you see. And we're gonna put them in and have everything coming out beautiful. Triple foam, we're doing triple foam here. But for now, lights. Just do your thing, don't worry about the camera.
I'm not worried about that.
And I will say this, pulling up this morning at like 9 o'clock, there was like 4 people hanging out right there in that corner. They look like the local homeless people. And as I pulled in, the cops were already here. I didn't call the cops, but they were already here. So I introduced myself to the cop and he said he's been coming to this place for years. He likes to drive through, check it out all the time. So that's a huge plus, you know, making a contact with the local police department and just having them on your side. Because when you're checking the cameras, if you see something going on, someone here who's not supposed to be here, then you can call up and they know the car wash. They already know what they're gonna deal with. So that was nice, that was very cool. Oh, one more thing I wanna show you is it came with this storage shed. I thought it's kind of cool, big shipping container. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. You won't believe it. Super secure, bars on the window. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nothing too exciting, but just a whole bunch of spare parts, some soap, some barrels, some vending machines, a whole bunch of everything. There's a brand new motor. Funny, when I got my Fontana car wash, there was a brand new motor there too. We got some 2-inch hose for the vacuums. We got some old brushes. This one actually looks pretty good, lengthwise. So this is what it comes with. So I think it's kind of cool. Look at this old tool chest. So yeah, this all came with it. This is all mine. Hey, Scooter. And they definitely were hanging out here because it smells like piss. It stinks. But we're gonna get rid of them. This bay's down, there's no motor, no pump connected. So we're gonna have to take care of that, of course. So keep that blocked off. Oh, I came here yesterday and I found all this stuff you'll see in the picture put up right now, which I had to clean up, which was always fun. And then there's a whole bunch of vacuums. These ones don't work. These ones do work. Right now there's 3 out of 6 working. Speaking of working, what are you doing?
What's up? Nothing, just
Taking 10 minutes
on
to
the
put
park,
some
chilling,
10 minutes to put some
laying
gloves
down.
on.
Like going too bad.
So as we head on inside, I tell you, it's been busy. That bay we just opened up because he put the lights in, but you can see there's 2 customers in those bays, and it's busy. Quiet. Hey, they left their own bill coin counter. That's cool. Clop. I think that's a decent brand. I don't have that one. I got the scan coin. This is the soap brush. Very old. I'm gonna get the low pressure systems, tire cleaner. Doesn't work. High pressure soap in the bin, rinse tank, and the wax. So, and then we have this big old thing. I think the city water might be a little weak, so that helps draw it, I believe. And then the RO system seems to be working pretty good. We got to test the water, so I got to test that, see how many parts per million there is or whatever. Change out the membrane, I'll have to do that. Change out the filter, should be good. You got the water softening system here with the salt tank, 2 compressors, and it's not that bad. So like I said, it's probably the best conditioned car wash I've ever gotten. All the other ones were just like either nothing here or really bad. Barstow was pretty good. If you don't know my Barstow car wash, did a whole remodel series on it. Feel free to go watch that on my channel. But I'm gonna get back to installing the cameras because it's good to have eyes on the business. You wanna go check out and see what the roof is like? So we're gonna climb up here and then we're gonna climb up through the little hatch up there. So let's go see the roof, the condition of it. I've been up there. A little scary to walk on. There was a few times my foot sunk. No, I'm kidding, it's fine. Let's go check it out. You ready for it? Whoa. Gravel. But check it out. They didn't obviously run through the hose through the PVC piping. They just ran them straight on the roof, and it's been probably many years. At least it's not the polytubing crap. It's not wire braided, but it is the rubber hoses, which is pretty good. Sun's done some damage, but I'm gonna switch out all these, put my wire braided through the PVC pipe in, as I did at Fontana and my other washes, keep them protected out of the sun, but it's actually not too bad at all. I'm very happy with this roof, and we're gonna make it great again. Little unboxing there.
Huh?
Is it like Christmas morning?
Yeah, bro.
You look like a little kid just sitting there opening
I'm so tired, dude.
little
Can you
presents.
please give me a minute?
Tired? Why? What made you so tired this morning?
Because
You woke up at 5 to do the rounds at the other car washes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
wake up really early this morning.
Missed the dedication.
Yeah, I hope it pay off one day.
Yeah, right. All right, we had a costume change. It was way too hot up here, so I had to get the long sleeve on. Had to turn into the Outback Australian Aussie that I am, and get these cameras in. They're coming along. I think I've done 6 out of 12 so far. It's looking good. I got all eyes on the property. It's coming. The one thing I actually like about this is the water, the high pressure water runs through these steel beams. So that's nice. You don't have hoses to worry about getting holes in them. It goes all the way down from inside the room, comes up here, and then you just have this hose here joining it to the top of the boom. So I kind of like that. I don't have to worry about hoses covering them up. I'm sure these have been here for quite a while, so I might keep that. Something different, something new, and something pretty strong. It's always a pretty good view from up top of the roofs of the car washes. Got the beautiful mountains in the background. Good old inland empire. It's toasty up here, but I love it. Nice tree. All right, guys, we are wrapping up the day. 4 p.m. and it's hotter than hell, but look at all the cameras I got. 4, 8, 9, 10. There's 2 more to go up tomorrow. We are done for the day. Let's show you the lights Edwin did. So you got 3 out of 6 bays done. That's the product right there. Still got to wire them up, but 3 out of 6 bays. How you feeling?
Good.
Hot?
As long as I keep eating,
Oh
I'm
my
fine.
god, like a cow. As long as you keep grazing on the grass.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, good job today, and we'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, you did it. You did it. How you feeling?
Oh my god.
Just
Actually,
exhausted?
it was super exhausted, bro.
All right, so let's show them, huh?
Shit, the work.
Look at that. All brand new bay lights, LED, super bright. And as soon as the sun goes down, we'll be able to see the real result.
Real deal.
The real deal. Super happy with it. Freaking nice. Brand new lights. All right, that's it for today. Cameras are done. Lights done. And then we've got the rest of the car wash to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins and Edwin from the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.